Hello my darlings, I hope everyone is doing wonderful. I am C and this is CJ DIY. Today I got super easy trash to treasure thrift flips for you for our summer decor or throughout the whole year. So for DIY number 1, I'm using this mini vase that I purchased from Thrift for $1. I also coated in the middle with a spackling. It was broken a little bit there, but not a problem. With the spackling, it covered it all up. I'm just removing the price on the bottom and I cleaned it well before. And now I'm just gonna paint it with the white terracotta paint first. Just gonna cover the whole little planter. It's so cute and have so many details on it. So just going all over with the paint. Now when it's all covered and dry, I'm gonna use a navy wax and I'm just gonna apply around my planter. First I did it with a wipe, but then I decided to do with a brush to get all that little cute details on this rustic planter. And all those little details, they're gonna pop up with this navy wax. Super cute. Adding some flowers inside. And of course, that's a choice for you. You can always use different colors for the planters, also for the flowers or the greeneries. I decided to use shades of blue today because it's like a beautiful color of summer and it's gonna look very nice for a home decor. Now I'm using this shadow box, also purchased from thrift store, and I only paid $2 for it. At that day when I went to thrift store, they had all those yellow marked for 50% off, so I had a very good deal that day. So now I'm using a Paradiso paint to cover the shadow box. And of course there is always choice of colors. You can always use different colors, and you can always repaint this and use it for a different time of the year. And now when it's all painted and dry, I'm just gonna sand it out just to get that white and the wood detail from the box, so it can look like a rustic look on my shadow box. Going all over until it's all well sanded out. Now when it's all sanded well, I just wipe it out, make sure it's all nice and clean. And after that, I'm using the navy wood wax again and going all over my shadow box just to get that extra shadow of navy and get that rustic look on my wood. And my box will be ready to be decorated. I put two choices. I put those coastal decor from Dollar Tree, a sign and a fishing net, also from Dollar Tree, just to give you an idea how we can decorate this shadow box. And also I added the beautiful planter with a stack of fall book that I made a couple of months ago on the side, and it's gonna look super cute for a home decor or for a resale. What do you think? I really love it how it all came out. I love the colors on it and that beautiful rustic look in it. You gotta let me know, what do you think? Another choice added a wall art piece in the middle and super cute. So many ideas for this shadow box. Today I'm so happy that I'm a part of Hello Summer Open Challenge hosted by my amazing darling friends Ellie from DIY From House to Home and Tammie from the Rusted Willow. They're hosting these challenges every other month with a different theme, and this month I am the guest host, C from CJ DIY. And also there is gonna be amazing playlist with so many talented creators friends, and all links will be in my description box. If you haven't visited Ellie's channel, please do so. She is creating beautiful, amazing home decor. And also Tammie, Rusted Willow, amazing talented creators, and you gotta go and show them a lots of love. With that being said, we're jumping into my DIY number 2. I found this rusted basket, also from thrift store. I only pay $1 for it. I use a spackling on the side because there was some dents in it. And when it's all dry, I just sand it out and I clean it well. And now it's ready to be painted. I'm using a folk art ice turquoise paint and I'm covering the whole basket with it. I'm gonna leave just a little bit of that brown look from the side just to get that rustic look as well. But I want to make sure that it's all covered. Going on each side, going on the handle as well. Super simple. I'm gonna make it look very beautiful. When it's all nice and dry, I'm using these adhesive stickers from Dollar Tree, and I just want to use a portion of it to use in the middle for my basket. I'm using my hands just to get that shade of the bump that there is in the middle of the basket because it's so hard to measure it before I cut it off. And after I cut it off, I'm gonna put it in the middle, and it already looks so cute, don't get me wrong, but that silver sparkling look I just want to get rid of. First, I'm just cutting the extra pieces that I had on my sticker before I paint it out again. On the other side of my basket, I did the same thing using the same kind of sticker for in the middle of the basket. Now when the both sides are covered with these adhesive stickers, I'm just gonna distress it with a white paint, going first on the edges of my basket so I can get that rustic look. And also I'm gonna do the distressing on those stickers so we can get rid of that silver sparkling look. Just going all over with a brush. Not too heavy distressing, but just get that couple of colors on this basket and it's gonna look very cute, rustic but very high-end. I don't know if you can see it from the light, but it came out so cute with all those details from the sticker. It came out perfect. Now when it's all nice and ready, I'm adding a styrofoam in the middle of my basket and I'm ready to decorate it. I'm gonna use those beautiful branches from Dollar Tree. I really love how they look. And I'm just gonna divide them and make a nice beautiful basket bouquet that we can use for our home decor throughout the whole year. And of course you can always use a different color for the basket and a different color for the flowers as well. But I really think that this shadow of blue turquoise color came out just perfect. To cover the styrofoam, I'm adding a Spanish moss, and it's gonna look like a real planter. It looks so cute. You gotta let me know, what do you think, and if you find those greeneries at Dollar Tree. And look how cute it came out. I'm so happy. What a beautiful color. For my next DIY, I'm using these wall art pieces, and I only pay $1 for each of them. And I'm just gonna clean them up very well before I paint them out, of course, removing the price tags. It's not that somebody's gonna see them because they're gonna be on the wall, but I just wanna make sure that they're all perfect. Cleaning up inside of it, and I really love all those details on these wall arts. And if you see something like this to a high-end store, they're very expensive, and at thrift store you can always find them. And now I'm just using this different shade of blue. This one is French blue from Folk Art, and I'm just doing a heavy distressing through all those details with my brush until it's all fully covered, and bringing all that leaves and flowers, all that structure inside of this wall art piece to detail. Very cute. Doing the same thing on my second wall art piece, and that's pretty much it for this DIY. Gotta let me know, what do you think? Look how cute, rustic, and beautiful they look. I am really loving it. And of course, it's always choice of color. You can always use different color on anything you like that you want to remake from trash to treasure, and I think I did very good this time. And here is more final reveal, just to see how you can stage them. You can put it on your tablescape, you can put it on your man tile, on your fireplace, on your coffee table, on the wall. I'm really loving how everything came out, and very low on a budget. The thrifted items only cost me $6, and the greeneries and all that was only like $10, and altogether $16. I don't think you can beat that. So today I think I made from trash to treasure a beautiful home decor. I hope I gave you a lots of inspirations for you to go to thrift store and look for some beautiful rustic items and make them very high-end for your home decor. Ellie and Tammie, thank you for having me as your guest host this month. I love you, my ladies. And don't forget to check out Ellie's, Tammie's channel, and also the amazing playlist. All links are in my description box. And until next time, I'm sending you lots of love, lots of music, positive energy from me to you. Bye-bye.